Hi students, today's class objectives are properties of conjugate of a complex number. Okay, what is meant by conjugate of a complex number we will discuss now. In previous class we discussed conjugate of a rational number, conjugate of a shared. Okay, what is the conjugate of 2 plus root 3 annam? What is the conjugate of 2 plus root 3? 2 minus root 3. What is the definition of conjugate of a shared? The sum and product of any two shareds are rational numbers, that shareds are conjugates to each other. 2 plus root 3 conjugate is 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 conjugate is 2 plus root 3, because you have to add both, will get a rational number, and you multiply both, definitely you will get a rational number. So what is meant by conjugate of a complex number we will discuss now. See here, you have known it is a coordinate system x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash. This coordinate system is called rectangular coordinate system. The angle between the coordinate axis is 90 degrees, then that system is called rectangular coordinate system. Okay. Now I am taking x axis as a real axis, y axis as a imaginary axis. Now this system we called as organed system. This plane is called organed plane. Means on x axis you must take it real numbers, on y axis you must take it imaginary numbers. Okay, చూద్దాం. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, above. Y axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, suppose one point I plot on this organ plane, 2, 3. See, this is the point indicates 2, 3. What is the meaning of the point 2, 3 in organ plane? Especially if we are writing one point in organ plane 2, 3, that indicates 2 plus 3i. That indicates complex number 2 plus 3i. Suppose it is denoted by z1. z1 అనే ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్ 2, 3 రాసామంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? 2 is the real part, 3 is the imaginary part, and its complex number is 2 plus 3i. You have known what is the reflection of 2, 3 with respect to x-axis. X-axis as a mirror, 2, 3 point reflection ఏంటి? Definitely that reflection is on 4th quadrant. Yes or no? మరి 4th quadrant లో ఉంటే దాని రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఏమవుతుందన్న? 2, minus 3, because in 4th quadrant y-axis is negative. So 2, 3 reflection with respect to x-axis is 2, minus 3. This point indicates complex number z1, then this is called z1 bar. This is called conjugate complex number of this 2, minus 3. Tell me in complex number form what will get, Nana? It is real part minus it is imaginary, so 2 minus 3i. So the conjugate of 2 plus 3i is 2 minus 3i. If a complex number is denoted by z, then its conjugate is denoted by z bar. If z is equal to a plus ib, now z bar is called a minus ib. Here also definition is same. What is meant by conjugates to each other? The sum and product of any two complex numbers gives you real number. That complex numbers are called conjugates to each other. Okay, if Z is A plus IB, then Z bar is A minus IB. Simply it is the reflection of a complex number with respect to x-axis. See, suppose I am taking minus 1 comma 2. See, 1 point minus 1 comma 2 I am taking. So minus 1 comma 2 indicates minus 1 plus 2i. This is suppose Z. What is Z bar? Can you say? Can you tell me Z value? So Z bar value is minus 1 minus 2i. Okay, ఇక్కడ మార్చేయొద్దు. Then only you will get the real number when we add both and multiply both. ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేసినా యాడ్ చేసినా నీకు రియల్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి దీస్ టూ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ కాంజుగేట్స్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. మనం గ్రాఫికల్గా ఎలా చెప్పొచ్చు? మైనస్ 1 కామా 2 రిఫ్లెక్షన్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ అంటే ఏ క్వాడ్రెంట్లో ఉంటుంది? థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రెంట్. ఇన్ ఏ థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రెంట్ వాట్ విల్ యూ గెట్? ఎస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ minus 1 comma minus 2. It indicates minus 1 minus 2i. X coordinate is the real part and y coordinate is imaginary part. Okay. So what is the conjugate of 8 plus 3i? Yes, very good. 8 minus 3i. Good. What is the conjugate of minus 4 minus 5i? What is the conjugate of it? Plus 4 plus 5i na? Is it conjugate of this? No. ఎందుకంటే యాడ్ చేస్తే రియల్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది కానీ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే రియల్ నెంబర్ రాదు, ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ద కాంజుగేట్ ఆఫ్ minus 4 minus 5i ఈజ్ minus 4 plus 5i. Now both you add it and product it, definitely will get a real number. Okay, మీరు ప్రాబ్లం సేవ్ చేయాలన్నా మైండ్లో ఉండాల్సిన 2 definitions. One is any two complex numbers are said to be conjugates to each other if sum and product of that complex numbers must be getting real number. First definition. లేదు అంటే the reflection of a point with respect to x-axis in organd plane is called conjugate of the given point. Yes or no? It is denoted by Z bar. Good. You have to write your own 5 problems and must write their conjugates also. Okay, good.